Okay, Sophie, this is your first day with your roller coaster in the house. Whoa! Whee! You show everyone how you push it back up? Push by the handle. Good. Good job. Such a big girl. Ready, steady, go. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it fun? Whee! Tomorrow we can put it on the hill and you can go even farther. What? What's wrong? I'm talking about tomorrow, sweetie. You're okay. I'm not talking about tonight. You can push it again. There you go. You're off track. Do you need Mama to help?